Hi, I'm Jeff King, Engineering Manager for Illinois American Water here in Belleville. This is the Week 7 update for the water main replacement project. We've had some bad weather the last few days here, but it really hasn't slowed down the progress at all. We had thunderstorms roll through last night with some pretty significant hail. Really didn't damage anything, and as you can see, the crews are still working today. Last week we did the water testing and disinfection. Now we've got the service connections going in.
The benefit of this water main replacement project to our fire departments is huge. We are going to be replacing over 9 water valves and 4 fire hydrants in the surrounding areas of downtown Belleville. The impact of not doing this water main replacement project would have caused increased amount of water main breaks in the community of downtown Belleville and also the surrounding areas. When we have an unplanned water main break in the downtown area, typically we're shutting down streets, we're bringing in heavy equipment, and we're putting customers and businesses out of service.
During the next few weeks, we should be moving in paving operations and honestly wrapping this project up. I'd like to see it done before our deadline. I just want to let residents and business owners know that we're making huge progress on the project and we hope to see it open soon. Sidewalks are still open. Everybody please come down and visit downtown Belleville.